channel Luna Rosu. It's been a really long time since my last upload, so I really do apologize. I think the last time I said that I was going to upload a tutorial, somehow that didn't happen. So I truly apologize, and I'm really going to try and stick to the schedule this time. But today we are just having a sort of a mini flip through of this journal. It's actually the Grace collection. I'll put a link somewhere here if you want to see how it originally looked like. So it's basically still the same journal. It's just that instead of having it as a two-piece collection, it is now a full-on chunky little lady. So I have combined both the writing journal and also the more decorated journal into one. So as you can see, I've just added just some minor embellishments here and there. So there's a bit more fabric, there's a bit more frills here and there. But the majority is actually still the same. There's just this is just a flip through, just to kind of show how it's looking right now, how it looks as a one-piece journal. So like I said, most of it are the decorations and everything are the same, just some minor edits here and there. There were some parts when I looked through and I'm like, okay, I don't think this is working for me anymore. This part is too empty or whatnot, so I just changed a little here and there. So yeah, where have I been? So just a little chit chat. Where have I been? I've just been really focusing on just once again just the digital side of things. So I've been focusing on all the collections, the monthly collections, especially for coffee. You can subscribe, so you for just $3 you can have a full-on collection monthly. You can subscribe through my coffee, which has the link below this video, or you can purchase a collection on Etsy, just in case you might not like you, or whether you like to pick and choose some of the collections and whatnot. So I've just been really focusing on that. Shipping has become quite expensive as of late as well. So yeah, so I figured, maybe a lot of you guys, would prefer to print out and then create your own journals. I'm not sure, but for this collection, Grace, she's been with me since I think it was last year. So I really wanted to give her a forever home. So uh, just I thought, okay, maybe this time around, a little mini makeover, hopefully. I don't know when my next journal will be. I have created a sort of a smaller size collection, not collection, but a few signatures that are kind of ready to be uh, made into a journal, but I'm still not sure. I'm still going through the pages and sort of trying to decide what I want and what I don't want. I'm still stuck on how the cover is going to come out. So that will probably take a while, maybe end of next month. I'm not sure. But for now, just focusing on Grace collection, this one here. And I hope maybe someone will find her really pretty. Um, and yeah, so if you prefer creating your own journal, I've designed quite a number of collection, and there are a lot of girly things. But for this month, I actually do have one which is on the sea. I think it's called the Ocean's Secrets, and it's it's actually in time for Halloween. I think I'm not really a big fan of Halloween, so I decided, okay, I'm not going to do witchy stuff or whatnot, but um, this collection for Halloween will be, sea monsters and all of that. There's still some pages that is, that you can use. There's some mermaids in there, so you can use it for Halloween if you want to as well. But otherwise, I'm really excited to share that. I'm also actually thinking of putting together a design team. Um, I'm not sure how that's going to play out, but if you would like to be part of a design team and you're interested in the idea of me having one and joining, and you can leave a comment down below, and then I'll get to brainstorming and all of that. So yeah, because some of the collections like the Ocean Secrets or um, what was the other one that I did, which is last year's Halloween, I think it's called Curacao and Curacao. Um, it's a bit non-floral and all of that, so I don't see a lot of people using that in creating their journals. So I would love, love, love to see it in a journal. I would like to see how um, it's translated into designs, into how other creatives interpret the collection. So that's why I kind of want a design put together a design team. But otherwise, just let me know if it's a good idea or not. And yeah, so for this journal, if you're interested to purchase her, she'll be available on Coffee. So I hope you enjoyed this mini flip through. And if you just want to see how it looks like again before this makeover, I'll have the link somewhere here. And yeah, so have a wonderful Sunday. It's Sunday here in Malaysia, so have a really blessed Sunday, everyone, and have a wonderful brand new week ahead of us. So bye.